Sweet, isn't it? Beautiful. I won't vex. I won't vex. I will not get none. Take a bite. What time o'clock a strike here now? Jackfruit up on tree. Launch stick up top. Hey. Expert on jackfruit, you know. I not even smell the jackfruit. But I know say jackfruit right. One, two, three. Whoa! Jackfruit drop right for my foot rotted. Watch it. Jackfruit drop for my foot. Tell us I'm a jackfruit expert. I know when I smell jackfruit, you know. I know say jackfruit right. Yeah. Yes, no say jackfruit right. Expert on anything, man. Yeah, jackfruit ripe. So right now, bring it on a river, put it and eat it. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, my viewers, my subscribers. So hot out here today, you know. I go up on the river right now. Yeah, man. I go all a swim and thing. Yeah, cool on my body. And then guess what I go on? I have a big jackfruit, yeah. Yeah, man, I go eat jackfruit on the riverside today, you know. So let's go and stay tuned to the channel. Remember, like up the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Yeah, man. So yeah, I go down off of the hilltop, you know. You don't know the thing going on. One day we have a bingo. That is it, man. Stay humble, stay blessed. Yeah. So now I catch me down at the river when I reach on the river. And I swim. And I go see me down there. So yeah, man, stay tuned. Yes, fully enjoying myself. Yeah, man. How bad? Whoa. That's a deep. What a deep. Yeah, that's come on, river. Right now, I cut jackfruit and one thing. How to cut this one? This is how we do it. Smells sweet, you see? Beautiful. I'm take a peg, you know. Sweet and nice, you know. Nice. I won't vex. I won't vex. I will not get none. I'll share it up, Carl. The spectator them up at top one jackfruit, you know. You know, so I watch the show live and direct. And I wait for the name call. Wait for me say, wanna come in for base. Nah, go on no video though. So share up jackfruit, you know. That's just on here. Come in, man. Come on. You want to start John near. Start John near to Bombard. And John near today. Yeah. Oh, yeah, a nice jackfruit, you know. Nice jackfruit, this, you know. If you make it share, you know. Cut out the heart. We not see a river neither, you know. That's for sure. Yeah. Which piece you want? You want a piece? Or you want a small piece? I want a small piece. I'm going to go and munch that piece. Let's go on for your jackfruit now. Jackfruit nice. That and Ghana water with female. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, this is how we do it in Jamaica. You don't know the thing, remember, like up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Mouth full of stain. Checking up a HK, see if I can run a quick pot in the evening. It's fully stain up. But I get some oil and clean up and in the kitchen. Stay tuned. Right about now, you know, we have some fire stick here. Chop them up last night and put them on the bench, you know. And so I get to fire light up here now. Yeah, man. A big piece of it you put in there already. Do you think till I catch a fire, you know? One camera up on the up, you know. Fasting with the on the evening. Fire blazing camera. Yeah, man. See that? That is it, man. Alright, now I peel banana, you know. Should I put the coil? Pass the other stuff for me, please. And so put on the coil for me, you know. Peel some banana. Alright, so this is a banana I'm going to peel now. I make some banana dumplings, so I peel about like 3 of them or 4 of them. Grate them up in here. flour, you know. Make some banana dumpling. A long time I eat banana dumpling now. Long time I don't eat banana dumpling. I peel the banana, wash them off. I peel the banana, grate it up, put it in the mixture. So who don't know how we peel banana? That's how you peel banana. Yeah. And this is a Lakatan banana. A Lakatan? I remember what Peter asked the banana on him. I get the banana up on the work site yesterday. No? Man, what's going to start boil up, you know, because if I red over there, you know, show them what go on, you know. See? Red over there.
Red over here. Red over here.
That is it. Yeah, man, so go and stay locked in and clocked in. Remember, like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Loaded procedure now. Grate out the banana. Long time I don't cook some banana dumpling, you know. So right now I get in flour. I cook no only for food tonight, you know. Right, oh, that good.
Yeah, that's good.
Mix it up first. That salt. So I'm getting the salt, you know. Put in the water. Mix up the flour, you know. No, the water there boil up and ready to go. Still locked in and clocked in. And then when I finish knead up the flour, you know, I'll get the dumpling in my pot. So go and stay locked in and clocked in. That is it, you know. Yes, so I do already now. When I put the dumpling in my now, you know. Look how I go on there. It's a bubble up fast. That is it. Up top. Up. No, sir, I just start. Yeah. Come on, big up all our viewers and big up all our subscribers I'm watching from near and far right now. Yeah, man. Yeah. Martel and Squidly. Squidly, I get the one flower for your birthday. And then Rasta can get one too. Not sure if Natasha want none of them dumpling and I then okay. Say. Come on, it's a big you up. Alright, so we are getting one for Natasha. Come on, it's a big you up straight. Yeah, man. You know, say me feeling seen a fun and see what I go on. I'll find out what I go on. Seen a fun. I put one dumpling in the for April. Yeah, man. And only we are cook this evening, you know. And everybody are going to get, you know. One rather pan up. All a dumpling.
Okay.
We are say big up Courtney right now. We are putting one dumpling for Courtney. Yeah. And the full of banana lump. Yeah, man. And all who know hear the name, go and big up on yourself, same, you know. We love on the same, you know, for respect. For your support and your love, you know. Remember, like up the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. All the people in the UK, Canada, USA, we are say please hype up the video them. First class, tolerance, 7 tolerance. Showing one for a while ago. Yeah, man. Support the movement every time, you know. Yeah, man, that is it. Big up that of the silent viewers them, silent subscribers them. Them a watch and comment, you know. Yeah, man, so that is it. I go stir up that, you know, because I want the dumpling them stick. Get cover. Yeah, man. So, right now, I peel piece of yam and put in a pot. And some banana for go into also. So, stay locked in, clocked in. That is it. Let's see what go on here now. I peel yam, yellow yam this. So I peel a piece of yellow yam. This piece of yam here come off of Philip farm, my uncle Philip. So big up yourself, Philip, you know. Yeah, man. Nice piece of yam I get to the, you know, this left back out there. I feel like I'm going to cook a banana this evening. Just I work with the yam and the sweet potato. You know, and too much things in my pot right, you know. And we don't have a whole heap of mouth neither. Yeah. Yam and a sweet potato. Yellow belly sweet potato. Yeah, man. Potato well firm. Well firm potato this. Yeah, bud. The real deal sweet potato, yellow belly sweet potato. Cook this now. Alright. Yeah, man. So we are going with the sweet potato and the yellow yam. That is it, man. Cover up the pot. Look at the fire camera put under the pot right now. Look at this heavy fire here. No, sir. See what go on in the pot. What the procedure right now? Cut up some seasoning right now. You know. Wash them. Cut them up. You know. This is some tomato. I use a scallion this evening. No piece of scallion, but I feel the scallion vibe this evening. So I'm just work with sweet pepper and onion, you know. Get them on the board. And so them part here, sweet pepper make it bitter.
Make it sweet.
Make it sweet. So I think this onion is a Mexican onion. According to Stacy downtown. So I get them clean up. Alright. I got to add pepper. And mackerel of it hot, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna start cut the sweet pepper first. Tomato. No, this is onion. My bad. Right, so these are the onion. I'm gonna cut my finger to it. So I cut the tomato them today. When I cut them no smaller. Add pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper this, you know.
Oh.
Alright now, get them off for a bowl, you know. So ready to go, you know. That is it. Wanna like up the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Yeah. They are on another bench. That is it. Yeah. Right now, see how them are yellow. No, see them are cook, you know. Yeah, man. They are well cooked, you know. See, some oil in the pot. Wow, ready. See, I'm going with the seasoning, them, you know. Oh yeah, red man. Right, now I'm going with the tin mackerel. Come on. Yeah, Lasco. Hey, Lasco. You need to give me a sponsor, you know, Lasco. Lasco tin mackerel. Hey. Whoa. Fire high. Look what I him there. Calm him down a little bit. Get in like all purpose. You know, Maggi all purpose. I get a spice up, you know. Nice little flavor. Yeah, man. So, see what go on? Now take this off of the fire now, you know. Start share some food now, you know. Loaded procedure now. Share some food now, you know. Food and share. Sweet potato and yellow yam. Right. Delicious though. So, most righteous and eternal Father in heaven, I ask that you bless this food be of good nourishment to our body. Bless Kemar, bless me, bless my viewers, bless my subscribers. In your precious name, Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen. So we are going to consume some food and also stay locked in, clocked in. You know what I think? One day we have a bingo. You know?
Yes, nice. Yeah. One day on the app.
Yes.
It can cook good. Yeah. Dumpling and Irish and yam and that mackerel.
That is it, man.
That is it. Right.
Yeah, so fix up good for your seat, tell you what.
Yes.
Yeah, man, so right now, I'll check in now. See what go on now. Yellow yam.
Right.
Wow, my food tastes nice, mom. Cut your 10 for this. Banana dumpling. Nice. Some artificial cherry juice. Hey, pepper. Pepper turn up in here now. Pepper hot. So pepper for face now, food.
Right, my food.
Big up all viewers, all subscribers watching from near and far. Take a bite. What time o'clock a strike, yeah man. Big up all the viewers and big up all the subscribers who watch this video until the end. I love and respect every time. Remember, like up the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet. Subscribe, yeah man. If you want to sponsor a video, just link up 876-470-5921. Yeah man, send a message on WhatsApp. You don't know the thing. One day we have a bingo in us, so big up on yourself. Remember, surround yourself with people and things that are good for you. Stay humble, stay blessed, and God will do the rest. Yeah man, so catch you guys in another video or on a live stream. It's been a while since I go live in about. Tell you what, just go and stay tuned to your channel. Remember, turn on the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. Yeah man, don't miss out, right? Yeah man, big up on yourself again. That is it. Oh, the people them in the UK, I forgot about on the USA, Canada. The hype. Drop some hype on the video. Hype up the video, please and thanks. Yeah man, that is it. Outside